Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS server settings on your Windows 10 operating system. So before setting the DNS server on your Windows 10 operating system, you need to decide which DNS server you want to set on your Windows 10 operating system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to visit this website, and the link of this website I'm going to provide in the description of this video also. So you can choose your primary DNS server provider and secondary DNS server provider. So you can see there is a list of DNS server providers here, and we are going to choose one of them. So once you have decided which DNS server you want to choose from here, what you need to do is you need to just go to your search bar here and search for control panel, and then just click on the control panel here. And once the control panel opens, you just need to search for network sharing. So just write network here. I'm going to just write network and then search for it, and most probably the first result which will appear here will be from network and sharing center. Okay, so just choose the option which says network and sharing center, and then you will be able to see this kind of interface. Now I am using the LAN cable for the internet connection, but if you are using the Wi-Fi internet connection, this will also appear here. So right now I can see Ethernet here. In your case, it will be the name of the Wi-Fi network you are using if you are using the Wi-Fi networks. So just click this link which is in front of the connections here. So I'm going to just click this link here, and then I'm going to just click on the properties option here, and then in this Ethernet property window I'm going to just choose Internet Protocol version 4, and here you can see the DNS server settings. So by default your Windows 10 operating system will choose the DNS server automatically, but if you want to choose it manually, you can just click on this option. This is the preferred option also because it's going to make your internet a little bit faster also. And then what you can do is you can visit this website, and we are going to set the DNS server which is provided by Google. So we are going to set this IP address as our primary IP address, which is 8.8.8.8, and in our alternate DNS address we are going to set this IP address which is 8.8.4.4. So both are provided by Google for us. So we are going to just write 8.8.8.8 and then write 8.8.4.4 here. Okay, same as written here in the primary and secondary DNS in this list. Once you do that, you can also click this option which says validate settings upon exit, and then it's going to validate your settings once you click this OK button. So I'm going to just click on OK button and then click on OK and then close this window. So this is how you can change your DNS server settings on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.